Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear little friends. How are you all today? I hope you're feeling fantastic. Guess what? Today we have a super fun and exciting lesson from Zara Publications' new Howard series for English Nursery. So are you ready to learn something new and amazing? Let's begin.
Activity. Think to understand? Fruits and vegetables. Let's learn together. Names of vegetables. Let's start with our healthy and crunchy friends, the vegetables. Say their names with me. Potato. It's soft and yummy when cooked. Tomato, round, red, and juicy. Carrot, crunchy and full of vitamin A. Ladyfinger, a green veggie also called okra. Brinjal, also known as eggplant, purple and shiny. Onion, it might make you cry, but it makes food tasty. Great job. Now let's move on to our sweet and juicy friends, the fruits. Names of fruits. Fruits are sweet, colorful, and full of energy. Let's say their names together. Mango, the king of fruits, sweet and juicy. Grapes, tiny and round, green or purple. Banana, yellow, soft, and gives us energy. Orange, full of vitamin C, juicy and tangy. Peach, soft and fuzzy on the outside, sweet inside. Pear, green and sweet with a funny shape. Well done, little champs. Dear kids, fruits and vegetables keep us strong and healthy, so remember to eat some every day and always keep learning with a big smile. Bye-bye. See you next time.